Hello everybody and welcome to another session of Maths with Mr. Luke. Are you sitting beautifully ready to learn? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Looking, listening, thinking and concentrating. I can see that you are all sat beautifully, so I shall begin. Now, before we start today, let's have our maths warm-up. We are going to count all the way to 20. We are going to count all the way to 20. Let's see if you can do that with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Great counting, everybody. Now we are going to do it in our very, very loud voices. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That was so loud. Now I'm going to give you an even harder challenge. I'm going to see if we can count backwards from 20, and at the end we're going to blast off like rockets. At the end we are going to blast off like rockets. Are you ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and blast off! Wow, you were able to count back all the way from 20. Well done, everybody. Now I've got rid of all the numbers from 1 to 9. I've got rid of all the numbers from 1 to 9. And we are going to count on from the number 10. We are going to count on from the number 10. Are you ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let's now count on from the number 10 in our very quiet voices, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, your counting is getting better and better every day. Well done, everybody. Last week, what did we learn last week? Let's have a look. I have got a very long whale. That's right. We talked about how things can be long and how things can be short. How things can be long and how things can be short. And we call that a very special word, and it's here. It's called length. Length. Try and say that word with me again. Length. That's a really tricky one to say because it's got the th sound at the end. It's got the th sound at the end. Length. But we didn't just talk about length. We also talked about something a little bit different. Look at our giraffe. A very tall giraffe. A very tall giraffe. That's right. We talked about how things can be tall or short. Tall or short. And how tall something is called height. Height. Can you say that with me? Height. So last week we looked at length and we looked at height. We are now going to go one step further and look at something else. Let's see. This week we are looking at, that is such a long word, we are looking at capacity. Capacity. Can you say that with me? Capacity. 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 Such a long word, and it sounds very complicated, but actually it's very, very easy. Capacity. Capacity. What is capacity? What is capacity? Well, let's have a look at these pictures to help us. I have got two bottles. 1, 2. Two bottles. They are exactly the same size. But one has got lots of water in it. One has got lots of water in it. And the other has got no water in it. The other has got no water in it. The one with lots of water in it, we say is full. It's full, full. The one with all the water in it is full. The one with no water in it is empty, empty. So this one is full and this one is empty, full and empty. So capacity is how full up something is. It's how full something is or how empty. How full or how empty. Let's have a look at some other examples. On this page, I've got two jars, and they are both the same size. They are exactly the same size. One of them has lots and lots of teddy bears in it, and the other one has nothing. So which jar is full? Which jar is full? It's this one. This jar is full of teddy bears. This jar is full of teddy bears. Which jar is empty? Well, that's easy. It's this one. This jar is empty. So we have a full jar and an empty jar. A full jar and an empty jar. Now here I've got two shopping baskets. Two shopping baskets. And you get your shopping basket when you go to the supermarket to put your shopping in. Two shopping baskets. Have a look at them closely. Which shopping basket is full? Which shopping basket is full? Well, we can see that this one is full. It's full to the top with all the shopping. If this one is full, then the other shopping basket must be empty. We've got full and empty. Full and empty. Empty means there's nothing there at all. There is nothing inside the basket. Now, up until this point, we have looked at full and we've looked at empty. But there's something a little bit different about this picture. This jar has some teddy bears in it. And this jar also has some teddy bears in it. But this jar isn't full. It's not full because it's got some more room at the top. You could put some more teddy bears in there if you wanted, so it's not full. And this jar is not empty because there are a few teddy bears at the bottom. So this one's not full and this one's not empty. So what do we say? What can we say about these jars? Well, we can say that this one is nearly full. It's nearly full. With a few more teddy bears, it would be full, but at the moment, it's nearly full. If this one is nearly full, then this one is nearly empty. Nearly empty. If you took a few more out, it would be empty. So we've got nearly full and nearly empty. Nearly full and nearly empty. Have a look at these shopping baskets. Look closely. Have a look at these shopping baskets. Which one is nearly full? Which one is nearly full? Well, the nearly full one is this one because it's got lots of shopping in it, but it isn't completely full. It's not full because there's some more room at the top, so it's nearly full. If this one is nearly full, this one here must be nearly empty. Nearly empty, because if we took those bananas away, it would be empty. But at the moment, it is nearly empty. So we've got nearly full and nearly empty. Have a look at these bottles of water. Have a look at these bottles of water. Which bottle is nearly full? Which bottle is nearly full? Well, it's this one here. It's nearly full. You can see it's got lots of water in it, but it's not full. You could still put a little bit more water in there. If this one is nearly full, then this one must be nearly empty. It's nearly empty because it's only got a little bit of water at the bottom. So we've got nearly full and nearly empty. On this page, I have 4 pictures. I have a glass of water here, a bottle of water here, I have my jar of teddy bears, and I have my bin with lots of paper in it. I have a glass, a bottle, a jar, and a bin. Now, have a look at this. Have a look at this glass here. Is this glass full? No, it's not full. Is it empty? No, it's not empty. Is it nearly full? Not really. And is it nearly empty? No, it's not. So what can we say about this glass of water? Well, we can say that it is half full. Half full. The water is half full. You see, it only goes half of the way up. Half of the way up. It's half full. Let's have a look at this bottle. Is this bottle full? No. Is this bottle empty? No. Is this bottle nearly full? No. And is this bottle nearly empty? No. We can say this bottle is also half full because the water only goes half of the way up. It's half full. Let's have a look at our jar of teddy bears. Is our jar full? No, our jar isn't full. Is our jar empty? No, it's not empty. Is it nearly full? No. Is it nearly empty? No. We can say it's half full. Half full. You can see the teddy bears only go halfway up. They only go halfway up. Lastly, let's look at our dustbin with the paper in it. Is our bin full with paper? No. Is our bin empty? No. Is our bin nearly full? No. And is our bin nearly empty? No. We have to say it's halfway full. It's half full because the paper only goes half of the way up. It's half full. So all of these are only half full. Half full. Now I've got a little bit of a challenge here for you. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottles with different amounts of water in them. They're all slightly different. And down here I've got some words. Full, nearly full, half full, nearly empty, and empty. Full, nearly full, half full, nearly empty, and empty. And we have to decide which word goes with which picture. So the first bottle I want you to find is the bottle that is full. Which bottle is full of water? And if you look, it's this one. This one is full of water, full of water. So let's move that one down. That bottle is full. The next bottle I want you to find is nearly full. Which one is nearly full? Nearly full. Well, it's not that one, not this one, not this one. It must be this one because it's nearly full. With just a little bit more in the top, it would be completely full. So we call it nearly full. We're going to move that one down there. Which bottle is half full? Half full. Well, this one hasn't got anything in it. This one's only got a little bit. In this one, the water comes up halfway. So that one is half full. The next one I need you to find is nearly empty. Nearly empty. Which one is nearly empty? Well, it's this one here because it's only got a little bit of water in the bottom. It's nearly empty. And the last one I want you to find, and this is the easiest one, is the empty bottle. Which bottle is empty? Which bottle is empty? It's this one here. It's got no water at all. So we have put our bottles in order from full to empty. From full to empty. We have a full bottle, a nearly full bottle, a half full bottle, a nearly empty bottle, and an empty bottle. Well done, that was a tricky challenge, but you did fantastically. So today's maths challenge, I have given you a practical maths challenge. That means there is no worksheet today. There is no worksheet today. What I want you to do is look around your house and see if you can find 5 bottles or 5 glasses or 5 containers. You will have to ask your mums and dads to help you with this. 5 bottles, 5 glasses or 5 containers. And I want you to fill them up with water. I want you to put some water in them. The first bottle, I want you to fill until it is full. I want you to fill it until it is full. The next bottle, I want you to put water in until it is nearly full. Nearly full. The next one, you have to fill half full. Half full. You put water in it until it's half full. The next one, I want you to put water in it until it is nearly empty. So just a little bit of water. And the last one, I want you to keep empty. Empty. Okay? And then I want you to get a piece of paper and label each of the bottles with full, nearly full, half full, nearly empty, and empty. Can you do it? If you can, get your mums and dads to take a photograph of what you have done so they can send it to me. I know you can do it. This is going to be fun. So good luck today with your maths challenge, and I will see you later for topic work. If you need any help, your mums and dads can message me. Bye.